Let's see how to make text bold in Wix. Making text bold in Wix helps emphasizes important content and improve readability. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to bold text in your Wix website. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser, and once you're in, go to the Wix editor and access the page where you want to bold the text. Click on the text box. Click on the text box that contains the text you want to modify. Right-click it and highlight the specific text you want to bold. Click Edit Text. Next, a text editing toolbar will appear. Click on the B that stands for bold button to apply bold formatting to the selected text. Once done, click outside the text box to save the changes. And that's it. That's how you make text bold in Wix. See you soon.